If you want to have war, you will get war. If you want to destroy China, you will be destroyed. If you want to impose nuclear war on China, you will be wiped out by nuclear war. This is very serious. China's policy is very clear. China will not fire the first shot, but China will not allow you to fire the second shot. If you have not watched the Victory Day parade in Beijing on September the 3rd, one of the weapons China demonstrated, we call it 61, because it can contain 60 nuclear warheads plus one hydrogen bomb. Now, in the world of today, let me tell you, which country has hydrogen bomb? China is the only country with hydrogen bomb. And that ICBM can cover every corner of the world in less than 20 minutes and destroy any target in any corner of the world without any possibility of being intercepted.
But if you want war with the United States of America, there's one thing I can promise you, so help me God. Someone else will raise your sons and daughters. Iran, Russia, China, North Korea, ISIS, Al-Qaeda. They may be watching this right now. Our military should not be mistaken for a cable news gabfest show. We don't care what you look like. We don't care who you voted for, who you worship, what you worship, who you love. It doesn't matter if your dad left you millions when he died or if you knew who your father was. We have been honed into a machine of lethal moving parts that you would be wise to avoid if you know what's good for you. We will not be intimidated. We will not back down. We've seen war.
प्रजातन्त्रमा राज्य व्यवस्था र प्रक्रिया संवैधानिक मान्यता अनुरूप चल्नु उपयुक्त हो। प्रजातान्त्रिक प्रणालीमा प्रतिनिधि छनौटको आभाधिक निर्वाचन एक स्वाभाविक प्रक्रिया भए तापनि यतिखेरको आम जनभावना यो छ कि मुलुकमा पहिले राष्ट्रिय समस्याको समाधान गरेर मात्र आसान निर्वाचन प्रक्रिया तर्फ जानु उचित हुने र निर्वाचन पछि कुनै द्वन्द्व अशान्ति र खिचातानी नहोस् भन्ने विषयलाई ध्यानमा राखेर राष्ट्रिय सहमति र सबैलाई समेटेर जाने समझदारी बनाएर मात्र निर्वाचनमा जाँदा नै त्यसले सही बाटो समात्ने थियो। वर्तमान अवस्थामा अधिकार मात्र खोज्ने तर कर्तव्य नसोच्ने प्रवृत्ति मौलाइरहेको यस्तो दुःखद परिस्थितिमा आलो पालो भाग